Good morning students, welcome to all 12th standard accountancy. So in this video we are going to discuss unit 3 accounts of partnership firm fundamentals. So methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners. So we have two methods, fixed capital method and the fluctuating capital method. So in this video we are going to discuss fixed capital method. So what is meant by fixed capital method? That means under this fixed capital method, the capital of partners is not altered in the it remains generally fixed. So two accounts are maintained. One, capital account, partners capital account. Then second one, partners current account. Partners current account. So in capital account, the transaction relating to the initial capital introduced, additional capital introduced, and the capital permanently withdrawn and entered in the capital account, and all other transactions recorded in the current account. Okay. So let's see the sum. Sum number 1. Good morning students. Okay. So today we are going to discuss from the following information. Prepare the capital accounts of partners Reuben and Derry when their capital accounts are fixed. Okay. So when the capital accounts are fixed, sum number 2, fixed capital method. So fixed capital method means we have to prepare partners capital account and partners current account. Okay. So information are given. So capital on 1st April 2018 for Reuben 70,000 and Derry 50,000. Then current account on 1st April 2018 credit balance 25,000, 15,000. Additional capital introduced 18,000, 16,000. Drawings during the year 2018 and 19 10,000, 6,000. Interest on drawings 500, 300. Share of profit 2018 and 19 35,000, 25,800. Interest on capital 3,500 and 2,500. Salary Reuben nil balance, Derry 18,000 and commission 12,000 and Derry nil. So we have to prepare capital account, partners capital account first. Date, particulars, partner's name Reuben, Derry. Next, date, particulars, Reuben and Derry, credit side. Okay. So we have to write here only capital amount, capital introduced by the partner. So 1st April 2018 Reuben introduced 70,000 and Derry introduced 50,000. So we have to write by balance brought down, by balance brought down, date 1st April. Okay. So 70,000, 50,000. Then again the partners introduce the additional capital by bank. We have to write by bank. Okay, what is the entry? Journal entry, you know that bank account data to partners capital. So bank, we can use cash or bank. So introduce the capital 18,000, 16,000. Okay. So we have to total credit side 88,000, 66,000. So the credit side total 88,000, 66,000. So balance carried out. To balance C by D 31st March 88,000, 66,000. So next by balance brought down 88,000, 66,000. So this is the partners capital account. So we have to enter only partners capital amount and additional amount introduced by the partner. So first April Reuben brought 70,000, there he brought 50,000, and then additional capital 18,000 and 16,000. Okay, total 88,000. So last group 2 balance C by D 88,000, 66,000. Next we have to prepare partners current account. Okay, partners current account. So current balance we have to write from credit side. So by balance brought down current account 1st April 2018. So amount 25,000, 15,000. Next drawings we have to write debit side. 2 drawings for Reuben 10,000, for dairy 6,000. Then next interest on drawing 2 interest on drawing interest on drawing 500, then next share on profit and loss. Okay, share on profit of 2018 and 19 by profit and loss appropriation account, by profit and loss appropriation account for Reuben 35,000, for dairy 25,800. The next interest on capital interest on capital interest on capital 3,500 for Reuben, 2,500 for dairy. The next salary by salary account okay 3,000 by salary for Reuben nil balance, dairy 18,000. Then next commission 12,000 for Reuben, dairy nil balance. Okay, so credit side by balance brought down current year balance, then by profit and loss appropriation account 35,000, 25,800, by interest on capital 3,500, 2,500, salary only for dairy 18,000, by commission only for Reuben 12,000. Then come to the debit side, we have to write drawings and interest on drawing 10,000, dairy 6,000, by to interest on drawing for Reuben 500, then 300 for dairy. So which side is more, we have to check. So credit side is more, so you have to add this credit side. Now credit side 75,500, 75,500, 61,300, 75,500, 61,300. Okay, so debit side total 10,500 minus 75,500. So 75,500 minus 10,500, total 65,000. Then next for dairy total 61,300 minus 6,300. So answer 55,000. So to balance C by D 65,000 and 55,000. So current account balance 65,000 and 55,000. Okay, so in this sum Reuben and dairy are partners. So we have to prepare the fixed capital method. So fixed capital method means we have to prepare two account, capital account and current account. So capital account means we have to enter only capital, partners capital amount and additional capital. So capital account prepare. The next one, current account we prepare. So current account, partners current account, we have to write partners current balance and share on profit, then interest on capital, salary and commission. Okay, all the items are credit side. Then come to the debit side, we have to write drawings and interest on drawing only. So credit side is more. So credit side total is 75,500 and 61,300. So 75,500 minus 10,500, balance 65,000. Then for there is 61,300 total. 61,300 minus 6,300, so total 55,000. So to balance E by D, 65,000 and 55,000. So by balance brought down 65,000, 55,000. Answer by balance brought down 65,000, 55,000. I hope you all understand this fixed capital method. So next video we are going to discuss fluctuating capital method. Okay, thank you.